Hello there, subscriber. Welcome back to brand new video. Today we're going to talk about how you can easily fix your payment methods was decline error on your app store on your iPhone or iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. You may face this problem if the expiry date is over for your credit or debit card. If this is the case, what you need to do is just renew your debit or credit card and check whether you have solved your problem. So if this isn't the case, we have couple of steps to solve this issue. So for that, here open up settings app first, and then from here tap on your Apple ID. And from here what you need to do is just here in the password and security, change your Apple ID password. Here give your passcode for your iPhone or iPads, and then here you have to give your new Apple ID password and then verify that one. And from here you can change your Apple ID password, and after this check whether you have resolved your problem or not. If the problem still isn't fixed, from here you have to sign out your Apple ID and then turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn back on and then sign in with your Apple ID and check whether you have resolved your problem or not. And if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, again open up your settings app and then here tap your Apple ID, and from here tap on media and purchases, and now tap on view account. Give here your passcode or touch ID, and from here what you need to do is just tap here on your manage payments, and here you have to update your payment method, and here you have to carefully double check whether you have entered the correct information about your CVV number and expiry date etc. And then here in the billing address also double check you have entered the correct information about your billing address here, especially for your here zip code. So zip code and California here is my state, so you have to put your state here and exact zip code for that state as well. So after this go back, and then from here scroll it down and tap on purchase history, and from here what you need to do is just you have to make sure that you don't have any unpaid subscription here. If you have, please remove them or pay for them, and then go back, and then after that tap here on country or region, and then tap on change country or region, and from here carefully you have to select your country. So select your country from here from which your credit or debit card is made. So I'm selecting here United States, and then after that here are some terms and conditions, so you have to agree to them. So tap on agree. So here you have to select your payment method, like I'm selecting here a month, and then here you have to give your billing address. You can put fake one as well, and then here you have to give the state. I'm selecting my state here, California, and here you have to give the correct zip code for your state. So in my case the zip code for California is 90201. If you don't know about the zip code for your state, you can search it on your Safari browsing app or any other browsing app. So here you have to give your phone number, you can put fake one as well, and then tap on next, and then tap on done. That's it. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.